In this video, we will see how we can set up our Python environment for work in a Linux distribution, specifically Ubuntu. I am running on Ubuntu 18.04. However, this procedure should be applicable to all major Linux distributions since the procedure is same. I personally prefer to use the Anaconda environment, so we will be moving on with that. However, there are other options such as V environment, VENV of the Python itself, and the third option is that you install everything in the base Ubuntu itself, which is slightly dangerous option since multiple Python packages can have multiple dependencies that will or that might conflict with one another. So let's open up our browser and download the Anaconda. Okay, here we can see I will be downloading for Linux 64-bit edition, and let's download it. It will take a couple of minutes. Okay, finally downloaded. Let's go into the folder. Let's open up our terminal here, and to execute this we will need the bash, and then we can just type the Anaconda. So let's press enter, and we will go with yes. Although you can customize the path where the Anaconda will be installed, I think that it is for better that we install all these system files in the default location. So I will go with the default location, and now it is installing. So now it is asking if I want it to have the Anaconda preloaded in my terminal. So yes, definitely. Okay, so we have downloaded the Anaconda package, and now we have installed it. Let's clear the terminal and open another one. Okay, as you can see, now this is showing a base environment before my username in the terminal. That is telling me that the base environment of the Anaconda is active right now. We can check that by running the Python, and as we have downloaded the Anaconda for 3.9 Python, so here we can see that it is saying that the Python version is 3.9.7, and we can do whatever you want to do here. So our Python is ready and configured already. So we can see that the Python installation is fully functional. We just use the NumPy library, the matplotlib library, and we just plotted something, the straight line as well. So this is the simple method of installing the Python in the Linux distribution. In the next videos, we will be discussing about IDEs and about the environments and how we can use the environments. Thank you so much.